Hi and welcome everyone. Lisa here for this Cause for Confetti. Thanks for taking the time to join us. Today we're going to take a quick look at our new Iridescent Rainbow confetti sequins. Now we have 17 colors in this confetti and I can't wait to show it to you. So let's get started. So as you can see, I have them here and I have them in little containers. Now when you get it, you're going to get it in one of our resealable bags like you see there in the center of the screen. But I thought, you know what, let's just go ahead and get these open and ready to go to make the process of sharing this a little bit quicker. So here we have our clear iridescent. This is such a beautiful color. I'm actually going to go ahead and pour it in a bowl and kind of move it around some so that you can see how it catches the light, because I feel like being in the little container, it just doesn't do it justice. And the photos on the website do not do it justice at all. So here you can see all that gorgeous confetti. I just think this is so pretty. So this is the clear. Next up, we're going to have a look at the red. So here's the red, and I'm going to tell you right now, I'm not going to take all of these out of each container and put it in a bowl because we would be here a while if I did, but you can still see how pretty that red is. Next up, we have orange, and then right after orange, we're going to have a look at yellow. Now, there's actually two yellows. There's a yellow and a light yellow, and I'm going to show you both of the yellows in a bowl. So this is yellow, and someone commented, I previewed this over on the Whimsy channel last weekend, and someone commented that looks like a bowl full of sunshine. It is so pretty. So here we have our light yellow. And again, that iridescent just catches the light and just makes it sparkle. So next up, we have what we're calling iridescent emerald green. This is a really dark green. It reminds me of a peacock. And maybe I should have named it iridescent peacock. But we were trying to stick with colors in the rainbow. So we thought, well, we have a lighter green version that I'm getting ready to share with you. And the darker green, we just thought, you know what, let's go with emerald green because it's so pretty. So here we have the light green. Now this is one of my favorites because I love this color green. But again, with all of that iridescent and that sparkle, it's just amazing. Next, we're going into teal. And we also have two turquoise colors. We're going turquoise here, and then we also have a light turquoise. And all of these colors do remind me of colors that you would find on a peacock. Maybe we need peacock shakers. So here we have iridescent blue, and we're going to go right into our iridescent light blue. Now, I absolutely love this one. This might be my favorite out of all of them. It really gives me Cinderella vibes for some reason. I just think it's stunning. Next up, we have purple. And we also have a light purple. And that brings us to my favorite color, pink. So this is actually the dark pink. We have a pink and then a light pink as well. So we appreciate you taking the time to check out the preview of the Iridescent Rainbow confetti, now available in the shop. Let us know what you think in the comments below. And if you want to hit that thumbs up and that subscribe button, we really would appreciate it. Until next time, you guys, take care.